Hello everyone, welcome back to Financiable, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to activate AAA credit card. So to get started, head over to Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in AAA credit card activate and hit the enter button. Once you're there, you will see many links. Click on the first link that appears. So here you have asked to add your credit card number, expiration number, social security number and many more. So add every detail or fill every detail that have been asked and hit the continue button. That is how easily you can activate your AAA card. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. See you again in next video. Goodbye till then.